Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to create bills in QuickBooks Online version. So there are three ways by which we can create bills in QuickBooks. So first one is from expenses menu, you have to click on vendors or supplier. Once you click here, you will get list of vendors or supplier, and from right end you can see the action column. So here there is the option of create bill. So from this option you can create bill. Okay. And when you talk about the second option, so you have to click on bills. Okay, it is the same way. From expense you have to create bill, add bill, and create bill. Fine. So this was the second option, and the last one is from new menu you can go and click on bills. So once you click on bills, you will get this kind of display. Okay, so this is the bill creation display. So here you have to select the supplier. You can also create new supplier. You have to set the terms, then bill date, due date, bill number, then you can select the category. Okay, that means nominals. Same way you can also create new category from here, and you can also create new vendors or suppliers from here. Okay, so let's create a new vendor. Add new. I'm going to give name as new supplier. Okay, so this is our supplier. Now in category, I simply select advertising. If you want to create a new category, you can also create it. Okay, and in amount, I normally mention 100. Now you can select the text structure according to your country. Okay, from attachment option, I can attach any JPG or PDF file. Okay, now from here, I can make recurring bill, and from setting, it is just related to tags. Okay. Now there are two options to save the bill, save and new and save and close. If you want to continue create a new bill, then you have to select the first option, and there is only one bill, then click on save and close. So as you can see, our bill saved successfully. So in unpaid category, you can see this bill as you can see here. So from action tab, you can mark as paid, view, edit bill, you can create copy, you can delete bill. Let's edit this bill. You have to just click on view and edit bill. So the same display will occur here. Okay, and after modification you have to just click on save and close. Fine. Now the same bill you can see from the vendor menu also. Okay, so these are the ledgers of particular supplier or vendor. So here is new supplier. So in transaction list you can see the transactions. So from here also you can view, copy, edit or delete bills. Fine. So actually there are two options. First one is expenses and bills. So if you want to book something directly like bank charges or EMI options, then you can go with expenses option. And if you want to create a supplier and book the bill, then you have to click and you can process from bills option only. Okay. So whenever a supplier involved, you have to select bill option, and if you are making directly payment from bank, then you have to select the expenses option. Fine. Now, once you make payment of particular bill, it will come from unpaid to paid category. Okay. Fine. So in this manner, we can create new bill and we can edit and delete bills in QuickBooks Online. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.